Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making chocolate chip and almond cookies. So to make the cookies we need 2 bananas, preferably ones that are soft or overripe. We need 100 grams of oats, 20 grams of chocolate chips, 10 grams of almond flakes, a sprinkling of salt and 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. While you prepare this, put the oven on at 170 degrees to preheat. First thing we need to do is mash the bananas with a fork. You want to keep going until you get a nice soggy soft mixture. Now we're going to add the oats to the banana. We'll give it a good stir around and the dry oats will then start to soak up the flavour and the juices from the banana. Once we've mixed it all together we add the syrup and then again give it a good stir. Once it's all mixed together, I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes to let the syrup and the banana soak fully into the oats. After the 10 minutes is up, we can now add the chocolate chips and the flaked almonds to the mixture and give it a good stir around. And I'm also just adding a pinch of salt. Once it's all mixed together, we're going to make little round balls and then flatten them out on a baking tray ready to go into the oven. Once all your cookies are ready and laid out on the baking sheet, they can go into the oven at 170 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. And that is how to make very simple chocolate and almond cookies. You can replace the nuts with another ingredient like raisins or experiment. It's very simple, very tasty and made in 35 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. I'll continue to upload videos 2 or 3 times a week, so please subscribe, like and leave comments below.